Meghalaya Democratic Alliance spokesperson Paul Lyngdoh has said that the recent goof-up at the Neet centres in Jowai and Nongpor should not have happened, as it has caused psychological and mental pressure on the aspirants. The reported random distribution of 2 sets of question papers, namely at the beginning of separate timings of the examination, created panic among the students who recently met the Education Minister and demanded a re-examination in these centres.
I'm sure the education department will take a call on this immediately, but certainly the lapse should not have happened. It has caused a lot of psychological and undue mental pressure on the candidates.
With aiming